You like orange?
I like green. Green is better. What about you, Mama?
I like orange too.
Baby like red. That's why. Welcome to cutiejiemei channel. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a science experiment. How does this cabbage turn red? A, we color it, or B, we paint it. And C, we soak it into the water. So what do you think, guys? Is it A, B, or C? Right, letter C. We use water and put color to make this cabbage red. Let's start, guys. We add colors in the water, and now we're going to color this.
Yes. Yeah. Ah! Me first. Just put the cabbage there. Now. No. Be careful.
Down.
Think. Your turn. Okay.
So let's see what will happen
We just need to wait.
in 10 minutes. Okay?
No.
What? So we're going to leave it, and then after 1 hour we're going back. Okay? Let's go play first. Come on. Whoa, guys, look at that! So cute! It's turning to green, and this also turning to orange. Look at that! So let's wait for more hours. Wow, it changed color. Oh, yeah. So we're going to leave it again. Yeah, we did not eat dinner. Isn't it amazing how the cabbage absorbs the water like a paper?
Yeah, but how did it happen? It's because of the capillary action. Plants use capillary action to bring water up the roots and stems to the rest of the plant.
This is cute. Orange. Orange. This one's red. This one is orange. Green.
So, what is your favorite color?
Green. Orange.
How about Tintin? You like orange?
I like green. Green is better. What about you, Mama?
I like orange too.
Baby like red. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like our video. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe for more video. We don't miss one, guys.
Look at that! Never mind, just put it there. What is that color?
Yeah, gray little black.
Oh, look at the color.
This one's better.